Hello friends, we have discussed the story The Thief by Ruskin Bond. The Thief is the story is the story as the title suggests the name The Thief. It means the story is a young man story, is an experienced thief. Okay, Ruskin Bond is a well-known Indian author who has published more than 30 books for children and over 300 short stories. His stories have been collected in popular titles such as The Night Train, Deoli, Funny Side Up, Stories from the Raj. Some of his most well known novels are Vagrants, In the Valley, A Flight of Pigeons, Blue Umbrella, Susanna's Seven Husbands. The last three have been made into films. In 1992, he received the Sahitya Akademi Award. In the 1999, he was awarded the Padma Shri for his contribution to children's literature. The Thief is the story of a young man who, as an experienced thief, and of how little acts of kindness and care encourage him to leave his dishonest ways behind. Harry is a thief and he has had no rumors about this. Okay, the thief name is Hari. He meets and comes to live with Arun, and Hari plans to rob Arun and most carries out his plan. Okay, but something in Arun and his attitude makes Hari turn a new leaf. Okay, it means he also changed. The narrator of the story is the thief, and the story is told in first person narration. Therefore the thief tells his own story. After Arun asks him his name, the thief gives him the name of Deepak, and this is not the thief's real name as seen in the text. Okay, Deepak, I lied. Deepak was about my fifth name, and I had earlier called myself Ranbir, Sudhir, Trilok, and Surinder. Okay, the thief is a 15 when the story takes place. Okay, the age is the thief age is 15. Okay, the thief sees Arun as an essay target to rob the pursues his way into Arun's home. The narrator of the story is the thief. The story is told in first person narration. Therefore, the thief tells his own story, and Arun, it means after Arun asks him his name, the thief gives him the name of Deepak. This is not the thief's real name. Okay, and Anil was a young writer. Okay, Anil was a young writer. He was living his life very carelessly. He was writing for the magazines, earning money, and run his life. Okay, one day Anil was watching the wrestling match, and Hari best knew how to make unknown person a friend. Okay, in this technique, Hari used to Anil, and he used to told old formula to flatter the person, and Hari stayed with Anil. Anil promised him that the Anil promised him that he would teach him how to write and add numbers. He also taught him how to cook tasty food daily Hari Singh was going to buy. Daily needs and had profit of 1 rupee daily. Anil knew it, but he did not mind it. Both were living together happily. 1 month passed. Okay. Then Hari Singh did not perform his business, and one day he saw Anil had bought a bundle of notes. He saw him to put them under a mattress. And then, as Hari saw the bundle of notes, and his evil spirit awakened, and his mind decided to rob Anil that night. And after taking dinner, Anil slept peacefully. Hari could not sleep. He woke up and he crept to the bed and slipped his hand under a mattress. And then he found a notes and ran away on the road. Hari Singh made up his mind that he would directly go to the railway station and then would catch the Lucknow Express. He thought that Anil would not catch him if he ran away from the city. And Hari Singh reached the railway station. Lucknow Express was about to go. Then suddenly the good spirit called him. Then suddenly in the mind of the Hari there is good spirit. Okay, each and every person there have a good spirit, and at that time Hari good spirit called him. The inner voice told him not to betray the faith of Anil. The train was moving, but Hari did not dare to catch it, and he was remembering the innocent face of Anil. When Hari Singh thought that what would Anil think about him, Anil would not worry about the money, and but he might feel bad that a man had broken his faith. Man has broken his faith, and then he left the railway station. He came to the maiden and sat on the bench. Just then, heavy rain started. It was the month of November, and chill wind started blowing. He felt more uncomfortable as he had cheated. An innocent person, his shirt and pajamas stuck to his body because it were wet due to the rain. Then they went to the clock tower to save from the rain. He sat there under the tower. Suddenly he remembered these notes. He searched for it and found that all the notes were wet, and crept again, secretly put back money under the mattress. And the next day Anil woke up and prepared tea for Hari and himself. He handed over 50 rupees note to Hari and told him that he would be regularly paid now. Hari took the note and found that it was still wet. He understood that Anil knew about the last night episode. Okay, and in this way, the Anil and the Hari. Okay, it means Hari turn. Okay, Hari turn a new leaf. Okay, it means he is a thief man, but Anil's Anil's too much expert or expert various types of new ideas or their something new plans. Okay, and then there is a attitude is change, and then Hari turn a new leaf. Thank you so much.